just got a call. The guy with the C6 Corvette wants to find a buyer.
Awesome, let's go now.
Hey, Sean here from Road Rage Industries. Look at this. You need your glasses on for this. C6 yellow Corvette, Velocity yellow, LS2 motor, 6 litre, 6-speed automatic transmission, aftermarket wheels, wide body kit. Look how fat this thing is. Come around here to the back, look how big this house is on this car. Show you inside. No, I won't because it's locked. Now I've got the keys. Just look at that interior. For the age of this vehicle, it looks like brand new. The carpet looks like new. No cracking on the dashboard. It presents really well. If you're a Corvette fanatic, this is the one for you. This won't last long. This going down the street roars and looks amazing.